So guys, on layer 1 we have a black background, and over that we have our sample video. Suppose we want to make a mask around our character. For that, select the clip, then go to filters, or from up here select the filters, then click on this plus icon, search for mask, select the one with Glaxnimate, then press on new. Let's draw the mask. Bezier tool, fill stroke, single left click. Just draw a random one for this tutorial. Suppose we are done, file, save, close it. So we have our mask, but as you can see there is no feather. So how to add feather? For that, click on this plus icon again, search for alpha channel adjust, then click on the mode drop down. From here select the blur, and we have our edge feather. We can control the feather here. See? So guys, that's how easily we can add feather in Glaxnimate mask in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.